The application in this exercise translates to an inequality. We'll be looking at pressure in the sea at different depths. The equation P equals 1 plus D over 33 gives the pressure P in the unit atmospheres at a depth of D feet in the sea. For what depths D is the pressure at least 2 atmospheres and at most 8 atmospheres? We will familiarize ourselves with the situation, and we don't have a lot of work to do because we're given the equation. The equation is P equals 1 plus D over 33. So we'll move directly to the translate step. And in the translate step, we want to find the values of P for which P is between 2 and 8, including 2 and 8. So we would write that P is greater than or equal to 2 and less than or equal to 8. But since P equals 1 plus D over 33, we can write this as 2 is less than or equal to 1 plus D over 33 is less than or equal to 8. And we have an inequality that we can solve. To solve an inequality like this, we can think of this as the inequality as having 3 sides, so to speak. We have this part, and this part. And we can do the same thing to all 3 sections, and it will stay equivalent. So to begin with, I want a D by itself in the middle, between this inequality symbol and this inequality symbol. So I will subtract 1. Subtracting 1 here, I have 1 is less than or equal to. Subtracting 1 in the middle, I have D over 33. And subtracting 1 here, I have 8 minus 1, or 7. Now in order to get D by itself, I want to multiply by 33. Again, I multiply this by 33, this by 33, and this by 33. 1 times 33 is 33. That's less than or equal to D divided by 33 times 33 is D. That's less than or equal to 7 times 33, which is 231. Our 4th step is to check. And really, the best check I can do here is to go back through my calculations, making sure I did the same addition or subtraction or multiplication on all 3 parts of this inequality. I also could substitute a few numbers, say 100 or 200 or something in between here to see if it checks. That would be a partial check, but not a complete check. If I do this, I would know that the answer is correct, and I can move to my final step, which is to state the answer. To state it in a complete sentence takes a little more work this time because of the way the problem is worded. The pressure is at least 2 atmospheres and at most 8 atmospheres for any depths D that you would find in the solution set, which is the set of all D such that D is greater than or equal to 33 feet and less than or equal to 231 feet.